So today we're taking you on a tour of our cabin on the Carnival Freedom Cabin 2473 on deck 2. Before we get started with the video, we're going to ask that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's good for the channel. It helps other people find us as well. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Ding ding!
That way you'll know when we have videos coming out. Well, today we're taking you on a tour of our cabin on the Carnival Freedom. We were in cabin 2473 on deck 2. It is a fully handicap accessible cabin.
Yes, and it's a window view.
Okay, I want to show y'all something really neat on this room, this handicapped fully accessible room. This is my card, okay? I slide it into this, the light goes green, and look, it automatically opens all by itself. The door shuts by itself. Now let me show you what you got here in this room. Right here to your right, you've got a drawer with a hair dryer in it. And you've got an empty cabinet. You got a couple of shelves there. This right here is not a refrigerator, okay? So if you're diabetic and you need a refrigerator, this ain't it. This is only a cooler, okay? So if you're diabetic and you need a real refrigerator, make sure you let the guest services know that so you can get one, okay? You got your nice desk, you got your nice mirror right here. There's 2 outlets. How about that? 2 outlets. Right below the AC control, you push that, and boom, look at there. Easy access to my towels. Look where these bars are. Perfect. Perfect for the bathroom. I got bars on both sides to get back up. This is great. This is a well done bathroom so far. Now we have the shower area. Let's see if I can roll in there. In the shower here, check this out. Whoop-de-doo. What a nice shower chair that is. That's great. Look where the grab bar is. Watch this. I can get right in here. Perfect room. Okay, I can reach the controls. Look where the shower and shampoo is. Right here next to me. I can get right to it. This actually goes down and up. Look at there. And not only that, but it comes off too. Woo! How about that? Okay, look, I like to sit like this sometimes to put my leg up to give it a good scrub down rather than let it hang because it hurts. I can do that in this shower. It's great. We also have clotheslines. Woo! Go over to here. And there's another one up there. Do you see it? I can't reach it because I'm down here, but that's okay. Maybe you can. Here's a soap. If you got a bar of soap you brought with you from home, some people bring their own soap. If you have an emergency, you fall down and you hurt yourself, make sure you got this cord where you can get to it. Don't pull it unless you need it because somebody is going to come running up in here to help you, okay? You see why we need the floor? Did you see that floor right there? Because wheelchairs can't roll over them bumps you got in them regular rooms, okay? That's why this room is for people who are in wheelchairs. Before we go out, let's check out the sink. Kleenex, sink. There's an outlet over here, a 110 outlet. Ta-da, look at that. Plenty of room here at the sink. I got stuff I can reach here, stuff I can reach there. And if I want to look pretty, I even got another makeup mirror. How about that? Places to hang your stuff.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we're out of the bathroom now, and let's check out what's over here. Come with me. Come on. We got little cabinets there. Can you see that? Look at that. Put your stuff in right there. You got some stuff that'll fit in there? Check this out. A 110 outlet. Red button. If you got a medical emergency, push that button and they will come and get you. Over here to the left. Over here to the left, check this out. Got plenty of room to turn my wheelchair around. If you got a scooter, you got plenty of room to turn around, which is very important for you. We got an extra chair, we got a table, we got a cool chair over here, and another chair over here with our towels. How about that? And let me show you this closet, if I can here. There's one of them. Let me turn around here. See, I got plenty of room to turn this thing around. There's your safe, some shelves, your life vest, and over here is your hanging closet. And that top hanger up there can be moved down to the middle section so if you're in a wheelchair, you can easily reach it. There you go. So if you are in a wheelchair and you're in a position you can't stand up at all, not a problem. They got a bar there so that you can reach your clothes. Okay? All right, so here we go. Check this out, guys. This is a window room, and we have a window. And there's nothing outside. It's not an obstructed view. It's a full view of whatever's out there. So if it's the ocean, you'll see the ocean. If it's an island, you'll see an island. If it's the Loch Ness Monster, you're gonna see a monster. How about that? Well, let's hope it ain't that. This TV, as you notice, is facing towards that chair right now. But if you're in bed, woo, just turn that rascal that way, and you can watch your TV over there. The bed is called a single side approachable because the wheelchair can only go on one side of the bed. I prefer just the hop. And let me show you, this window view has also got a second window view. Once again, unobstructed, not one but two windows to watch. You also got a cabinet over here for more stuff. Look here, you got an extra blanket, another little cabinet. You also got another emergency button in case you got an emergency push for assistance. Look at here, you got two USB ports. So you can plug in your USBs right here. You know, ain't that cool? And that looks like a light switch right there. And look at this famous work of art right here. Brought to you by second grader with Crayola crayons. Now I know I mentioned that there's an outlet here. It's not just for your radio. It can also be for your CPAP breathing machine, okay? You got one here in case you need that. Here on the Carnival Freedom, it looks like they're pretty well set up with electrical outlets, USB ports. And in this cabin in particular, we got nice windows, a great bathroom, a great location on the ship. Highly recommend this ship. If you're in a wheelchair like me, this is a great cabin to have. Okay, now that you've been in the cabin, let's see if we can get out. Come on, follow me. That door is just too heavy for me, so what do? Oh, this cabin is really special. One of the things I love about this, push that button. Now we can go explore the rest of the ship and have a great time here on the Carnival Freedom. Thanks for joining us in cabin 2473.
So you don't want to ignore these notices that come in your room because some of them say that maybe your travel agent has sent you a special gift and what day of the cruise that's going to be delivered to you on. Like this one here, this one says deliver upon request. So we would request this item to be delivered on whatever day. This particular item is going to be delivered on the 3rd day of the cruise, and this item was delivered on the 1st day of the cruise. So we hope you enjoyed our video. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.